13 of the newest camping gadgets that you can buy right now on Amazon. Some new camping equipment might not seem to be particularly important, but once you have it and use it, you'll notice a huge difference. These 13 newest camping accessories that are now available on Amazon will be the subject of today's video. Links to the products are given in the description box below. Hello and welcome to yet another video of Worldwide Tech. Keep watching to the very end to see these exciting gadgets, and if you enjoy the video, please consider subscribing to our channel and pressing the bell icon to get updates on our latest videos. Number 1. The Jackery Explorer Portable Power Station. Through a wall outlet and a 60-watt PD USB-C connector, 80% of the power station's battery can be recharged in under 2 hours. You can also use a Jackery Solar Saga 100 or an AC adapter to recharge your power station, whether you're at home or whilst you're traveling. The Explorer 300 has 2 pure sine wave AC outlets that supply reliable and secure 300-watt power and is powered by a 293 WH lithium-ion battery pack. Only 7.1 pounds make up the weight of the portable power unit. When participating in outdoor off-grid activities, you can just unwind. The solar panel, the Jackery Solar Saga 100, is compatible with the power source. The solar generator can set work at its maximum power point thanks to the inbuilt MPPT controller, which speeds up battery recharging and makes them perfectly portable power kits for tent camping, overland trips, and etc. At the time of this video, it costs $299.99. Coming in at number 2, we have the JBL Charge 4, a waterproof portable Bluetooth speaker. It takes turns listening to the potent sound by wirelessly connecting up to 2 smartphones or tablets to the speaker. Up to 20 hours of gameplay are supported by the internal rechargeable lithium-ion 7500 mAh battery, which also functions as a USB charger for your device. 2 passive radiators produce a JBL sound that is loud, clear, and strong. More than 100 JBL Connect Plus speakers can be wirelessly connected to enhance your listening experience and rock the party to perfection. Your speaker will outlive all of your exertions thanks to the enduring fabric material and tough rubber casing. JBL's strong, ear-catching sound reverberates loud and clear thanks to the 2 passive radiators. At the time of this recording, the JBL Charge 4 costs $114.95. Coming in at number 3, we have a rechargeable LED Lensa ML6 lantern. This multifunctional portable outdoor camp lantern with micro-prism lens technology ensures optimal, glare-free light distribution and energy economy. It's incredibly portable and lightweight, making it ideal for lighting up your bivvy, tent, and campground. They take great care to ensure that your LED Lensa will give you many years of dependable service. They'll repair or replace the item if it's broken due to a flaw in the materials or the craftsmanship, or even if it stops working after regular usage. At the time of recording this video, the current cost is $39.95. Now coming in at number 4, we have the GoSun Sport, a solar portable stove. The cooking tube is shielded by folding parabolic reflectors that deploy quickly and collapse into a sturdy container. The Sport is made for adventure. It's fully submersible and equipped with carrying handles. No monitoring is necessary. Simply place the food in the tube cooking chamber and adjust the reflector's chamber to cook. It can cook a meal in as little as 20 minutes at temperatures of 550 degrees Fahrenheit or 290 degrees Celsius when exposed to direct sunlight. The GoSun Sport is good at absorbing UV rays and retaining its heat. As of recording this video, it currently costs $249. Coming in at number 5, we have the Petzl Pixa 3R ACCU Pro Headlamp. Frankly, it kills when your headlamp power dies when you're out in the dark, especially if you're trekking or gathering wood far from camp. Enter the Petzl Pixa Core Headlamp, a tough light that utilizes 3 AAA batteries in addition to a rechargeable battery as a backup. This rechargeable multi-beam headlamp's constant lighting technology makes it perfect for close-up lighting, movement, and long-distance viewing. The constant lighting technology ensures that the brightness does not gradually decrease when the battery depletes. At the time of this recording, it currently costs $109.95. Now coming in at number 6, we have a telescope called the Celestron Power Seeker. A powerful and simple to use telescope is the Celestron PowerSeeker 127EQ. With its ideal balance of quality, pricing, features, and power, the PowerSeeker series is intended to provide the beginning telescope user with everything they could possibly need. You can even utilize this Newtonian reflector telescope to explore space. It has a German equatorial mount with a slow motion altitude rod for precise and fluid aiming. At the time of recording this video, it currently costs $194.98. Coming in at number 7, we have the Anbil Camping Stove. The Anbil Camping Stove burns solid biomass, charcoal, or wood as fuel. Gas, propane, or electricity are not required, which saves energy and protects the environment. It's ideal for outdoor cooking, camping, patios, and emergency preparedness. At the time of recording this video, the cost is currently $119.99. At number 8, we have the Garmin Instinct 2, a GPS outdoor watch. The fiber-reinforced polymer shell and scratch-resistant Corning Gorilla Glass of the rugged GPS smartwatch makes it thermally, shock, and water-resistant to a depth of 100 meters. The 3-axis built-in compass, barometric altimeter, and several global positioning satellite systems will allow you to keep track of your travels. As of recording this video, the cost is currently $349.99. Coming in at number 9, we have the Caveman Grill Large. It has a few pounds of weight, but it's far less than stainless steel. It folds into ½ an inch flat and has its own travel case. It adds that traditional and smoky flavor to your meal. This portable barbecue may be used with wood chips, sticks, charcoal, pellets, or even our add-on propane burner adapter. At the time of recording this video, it currently costs $99.99. At number 10, we have the Kelty Low Love Seat Camping Chair. You don't need to be at the beach to enjoy it, but if you are, the Low Love Seat is the ideal place to unwind without getting wet. With a strong and long-lasting steel structure, this chair is a go-to for chilling outdoors. There's space left over in each adjustable armrest for snacks, marshmallows, or the drink from the deck, in addition to being an insulated beverage holder. At the time of recording, this currently costs $115. Coming in at number 11, we have the Quick 2 Camping Cook Set. A 2-person backpacking cook set is practical for backcountry journeys since it's lightweight, small, and efficient. It has a strainer top, 2 deep dish plates, 2 insulated mugs, a 1.5-liter hard anodized non-stick aluminium pot, a 2.5-liter hard anodized aluminium pot, and a pot handle. At the time of the recording, this currently costs $88. Now coming in at number 12, we have the HydraPack Seeker, a collapsible water storage. The Seeker can be folded or crushed and packed into the provided storage bag when empty. You won't even notice it's in your pack because of the flexible design's light and portable. At the time of this recording, it currently costs $29.42. And coming in at number 13, we have the Teton Sports Ultra Tent. There are 1 to 4 person camping tents available, and the Rainfly is waterproofed with a 360-degree ventilation system for the best air movement. With a full dome mesh top, you can enjoy a full view of the Milky Way while staying away from the city lights. The compact backpacking, trekking, and camping tents contain a micro mesh inside the tent with a perfectly sized, waterproof Rainfly that is offered separately as well as foot. At the time of this recording, this currently costs $139.99. And that concludes today's video. Consider these itineraries if you're planning a camping trip and tell your friends and family about them as well. The product links are provided in the description box below, and also check out the other videos on our channel. That's all for today, see you next time.